Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix the load xgameruntime error code 126. So it's usually in connection with the game runtime or the gaming service. So here there are some solution based on howtoconnect.com. Thanks for this article. You can uninstall and reinstall gaming service. So here you can click on settings. You can search for the apps and search for the gaming service. This one, this is the gaming service. You can try to uninstall and reinstall manually from Microsoft Store, or you can hit this. You can copy this command line and hit enter after each. So you can open Windows PowerShell and type this. Next, you can update apps from Microsoft Store. You can go to the Microsoft Store and update the gaming service. Here you can update this Xbox gaming service from Microsoft Store. And next, let's close it first. You can repair and reset gaming service. Here we go. You can access installed apps on your Windows and go to the advanced options. Here you can repair or reset. So feel free to try to fix this xgameruntime dynamic link library error. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the next button below. See you in the next video.